Hello there guys, welcome to Dinos Vault. Welcome to yet another action-packed episode. Today I have the company of the glorious sporty hatchback, the legendary Maruti Suzuki Swift. Is it back with all the thrill package that it has always been known for? I am really excited to get behind the wheel. So without further ado, let's get started with my first drive review. So this is the Maruti Suzuki Swift 2021 with dual jet and dual VVT or variable valve timing technology. Ever since its inception, the Swift has always been an enthusiast's delight, offering thrilling driving dynamics in a family hatch segment, albeit with an affordable price tag. Also, what made it an immediate blockbuster is the easy, hassle-free maintenance, bulletproof reliability that is synonymous with the legendary Swift brand, and superb fuel efficiency that is a hallmark trait of all Maruti cars. Over the years, the Swift sort of lost its way in a country obsessed with fuel economy where the fun factor almost took a backseat. Well, for 2021, Maruti Suzuki have resurrected the Swift right from its glorious ashes by giving it the upgrade that it always deserved. The Swift now comes powered by the all-new 1.2-liter 4-cylinder K12N dual-jet petrol engine that puts out 90 PS of max power and 113 Newton meters of max torque. We get a 5-speed gearbox with manual as well as AGS or auto gear shift transmission options. Please note that there is no diesel on offer any longer. The way the dual jet technology works is that we get 2 injectors per cylinder, which improves the fuel injection system and optimizes combustion efficiency. It also betters the thermal efficiency at the time of combustion, which results in every drop of fuel being utilized. The increased compression ratio of 12:1 offers better power and better torque. Now, this new engine also offers better cooling management. It has better stiffness to reduce the overall NVH levels, so the overall performance is better and so is the fuel economy. Now, the new Swift is built based on the HEARTECT platform, which uses a continuous and smooth frame that uniformly disperses the impact energy throughout the car to keep the passengers in the cabin safe. The chassis itself is made up of ultra high strength steel and advanced high strength steel. The HEARTECT platform also offers improved power to weight ratio, and when you combine that with the improved stiffness of the frame, you get better handling and better cornering stability. It also offers reduced NVH levels or noise, vibration and harshness levels. Now about the design and the exterior, new Swift has been a sporty looking hatch with perfect proportions all around. We get LED projector lamps and LED DRLs up front. Even the front bumper gets a more sculpted sporty design. The major new inclusion though is the chrome slat across the mesh grille, which adds a bit of finesse. Moving on to the profile, we get 15-inch two-tone alloy wheels. The rear door handle is mounted on the C-pillar like that of the Chevy Beat. We get turn blinkers on the outside rearview mirrors, which are power adjustable and come with power folding function. At the back, the LED combination lamps look awesome. Now, stepping inside, we get all black interiors with comfortable seats. We now get a full color MID or multi-information display between the twin pod speedo console. It also offers all the relevant info that we need. We then have the Smart Play Studio's 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. At the back, we get dedicated headrests, which is good, and we also get good amount of leg room as well as headroom. In terms of safety, we get dual airbags and ABS with EBD as standard right from the base variant, which is awesome. In the top spec automatic variant, we also get electronic stability program with hill hold assist. Now, boot space is 268 liters, which is good enough for a hatch. And now the big question, kitna deti hai? Well, the mileage claim for the manual variant is 23.2 kmpl, whereas for the AGS variant is 23.76 kmpl, which is really impressive. Now, the price starts from 5.73 lakhs ex-showroom for the base variant and goes up to 8.27 lakhs for the top-end automatic variant. So now that I've given you guys a quick overview, let's go ahead with my drive reaction. So guys, now that I've given you a quick overview of the all-new 2021 Maruti Suzuki Swift, looks absolutely ravishing as always in the sporty red color, and the actual change actually lies underneath the hood with the dual jet 1.2 liter petrol, 90 PS of power, 113 Newton meters of torque, Can't wait to unleash the actual Swift. The true meaning of Swift and the true legacy of Swift was all about being sprightly and swift across the streets, dynamic, sporty handling, and sheer driving pleasure. So I feel Maruti have gone back to the basics of kind of resurrecting this legend back to life for the year 2021 and putting the smile where it belongs, which is on your face. Oh, auto folding mirrors open up, and we have the glorious Suzuki logo coming alive. Special thanks to Varun Motors for allowing me to bring you guys this review. So now let's unleash this sweet little beast. And yes, it now comes with idle start stop system, but for now let's check the high-speed stability. It comes built based on the HEARTECT platform, which comes with the chassis structure is built with advanced high tensile steel and comes with impact absorbing structure that ensures good crash protection and also sturdy build quality and superb stability and performance and handling characteristics all around. So now I think we'll just try and stop here and try and unleash the beast the way it is supposed to be. And I have the manual variant. You also have the AGS, which is the AMT variant. Now the idle start stop system turns off the engine automatically once you come to a standstill and shift to neutral. Press the clutch and the car comes alive again. Shift it, slot it into first gear. Whoa, 6,500 RPM, holds the gear. Whoa, I wish they could make it hold up to 7,000 RPM, but anyway, it's rock solid. We're already doing triple digit speeds. We have the warning. Whoa, it's absolutely flying, and the best part is the kind of stability this car offers. It's absolutely rock solid. Brilliant across the corners as well. 15-inch wheels, that's okay. I think 185 section tires, that's also okay for a hatchback, I guess. But great overtaking power even in the top gear. Top gear now, and the bike, the car is just launching ahead like a relentless force. The brakes are good, and the steering sensitivity also goes up and it weighs up adequately at higher speeds. Wow, what a rush that was. I'll try and turn around here and have a look at the rear parking camera as well. 5-speed gearbox, short throw. You have a nice clear display, decent resolution, clearly visible. We are driving right underneath the hot sun. This is a hot summer afternoon, but we don't have we do have guidelines. They are not they don't move along, so I don't think you can say it has dynamic guidelines. So but still, it is a great feature for a car in this price range, in the affordable hatchback category. And of course, you also have a Smart Play Studio touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I love the full color MID here. Let's unleash the beast one more time. driving a manual variant is something true enthusiasts always appreciate. Wow. Fast and glorious, you can say. Absolutely rock solid. Steering sensitivity could be slightly better at high speeds, maybe beyond 150 kilometers per hour, but up to that it is quite solid. Even the tires, I think fatter tires would offer better stability. Turning radius is also very compact and very easy, even nice and short turning radius, and that's what you expect for a urban legend. I mean, something that rules the streets or scorches the streets. So let's check the cruise control. Okay, let's take it up to 60. Set cruise control 74. Yeah, it is set now at 74 kilometers per hour. Third gear. My foot is off the accelerator pedal, and this is a very useful feature, or what do you say, fatigue free driving experience that this kind of feature offers for long distance touring, especially on highways or ORR. If you just have an empty straight ahead of you, then enabling the cruise control really takes off a lot of fatigue or effort, or even the tiresomeness that is involved in driving. And the seating ergonomics posture is very good. You have seat height adjustment as well, I believe, and the cushioning on the back is also just about perfect. So overall, I feel the Swift is back in the category where it belongs, because this is all about fun, this is all about thrill, and if you take that away from I mean, it's not doing justice to the true character of the legend. I am so glad Maruti have reverted to that and made this a true enthusiast car now. So to turn off cruise control, just press the brake, and I think we are good to go. Back in your hands, the control. So this is about the cruise control. So guys, now that we've checked the high-speed stability, I've come to the cornering playground. It's right in my backyard, and let's see how the Swift fares. Love the handling. I could feel it or sense it while doing the straight line stability test. The roads are a little broken here, so got to be a little careful. I love the clutch feel. It is very light. The short throw gearbox and the manual gear stick also gives you a complete feeling of driving a car rather than the automatic transmission. Of course, you have the AGS or the automatic manual transmission. Fuel efficiency is the same for this manual as well as the AGS, which is around 23 kmpl, which is again very impressive. That is again courtesy of the new dual jet technology which they've used, which means you get 2 injectors per cylinder, which improves the overall fuel injection system. So this is kind of a tricky road with blind corners, so got to be a little watchful. Love the sporty sound the car makes each time you step on the gas. Wow. You can see a lot of improvement. I had driven the new Swift once it got this new shape or new design. It was good, it was impressive, but now you can see the surge. I mean, each time you step on the gas, man, just thrusts you forward with a lot of certainty, and that's what you come expecting from a sporty hatchback, which is a universal heartthrob across the world, not only in our nation. It's highly appreciated by critics all around. The legacy of the Swift spans over a decade and a half here in India, and the way, wow, what a joy. The way they have, I mean, the car has evolved over the years. Initially, it was about revolution, I mean, creating kind of a revolution in that hatchback segment with its sheer thrilling performance and driving dynamics. But the way they have evolved the legend over the years, I mean, coming to terms or keeping the legend alive while also improving the overall package is the hardest thing that you can do, and they've done it in grand style. Wow, so satisfying actually. Oh, I wonder any other hatch can match this kind of handling characteristics in this price segment. It's really impressive, and that's what you come expecting when the branding reads Swift. So overall, yes, I stand impressed. The body roll is very well controlled again in this new variant, and the acceleration is there, the thrill factor is there, and the intensity is there, the engaging riding experience is there, driving experience is there, and that's what true driving pleasure is all about. And this is a legend in the sporty hatchback segment. I'm so glad the legend is back in its glorious form. So kudos to Maruti. In terms of safety, it is well equipped. In terms of performance, it's beyond belief, and the design is a timeless one as always. So this concludes my driving review of the first drive review of the 2021 Maruti Swift dual jet variant. I just hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up and stay subscribed for more action right here at Dinos World.